Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today I'm sharing a little thrift haul. It's kind of a combination of different visits to our favorite thrift store, which is Value Village, which is the equivalent of Savers in the US. I separated out everything Speechy that I got at the thrift stores from kind of our collection, which is in a separate channel. So our other channel is called Pixies, and that's where we have some more of our kind of collections and toys that aren't speech related so much. And Speech Fairies is the channel that has all of the speechy stuff. So if you're interested in more of collections and G1 toys, that's the channel. So my voice is a bit raspy. I've been sick almost the entire vacation around Christmas time, so I'm just trying to get back into it slowly. So I'm going to start with this little fella. I love these types of toys. This one was $1.99, and he is like a little doggy. I guess you could call him a wolf if you wanted to, but whenever I see these types of toys, I pick them up. I don't usually buy the stuffies, but they can go in the wash, which is nice. But these ones have the zipper as a mouth. So when you open them, the zipper looks like little teeth. So the nice thing about these ones is you can feed him. So I love, well, preschoolers love it when you can feed the doggy. So you can give him some bones. He's got a nice deep cavity here all the way to the bottom, right over to his bum. And we can put lots of things inside. So you can feed him a lot of good stuff, and he was a great price at $1.99. So keep your eye out for those that have the little zipper mouths, and make sure they have a good cavity that you can hide lots of food in. Number 2 is this penguin popper. So this one's brand new, which is awesome, but I found him at the thrift store. He was $3.99, so I'm willing to pay a little bit extra because I think they're about $10 in the stores. So you load the ball into the penguin's nose, and then you squeeze his body, and he'll pop and launch the ball. It says, play safe, don't shoot at someone's head or at animals. So I have a few other ones of these. I just showed some Christmas ones on my Instagram, but this is one of the original ones. And it did get 2012 Parents' Best Toy Award. So that was my little penguin popper prize from the thrift store. I also nabbed this little bridge because I like to use these when I work on and under. So I can use it as a prop in the session, or I can add it to a train set. So you can see it's got the little wooden pegs so that I can add it to a train set, but it's great for working on prepositions on and under. So I grab them. Whenever I see little toy bridges, I pick them up. My favorite toy bridge that I've ever bought was from a Smurf set. So random bridges, little boys like the transportation items, and we can put them on or we can put them under the bridge. I was debating about this little girl whether I wanted to put her on Play Pixies or Speech Fairies, but I put her on Speech Fairies because, as you know, my name is Lisa, and I happen to like Lisa Simpson, my namesake. So $2.99 was a great price. So they had these at Burger King in 1999. So I grabbed my namesake because she was there and she was in such great shape. So that's me. If you can't remember Speech Fairies, you can remember Lisa. And vice versa. So I also picked up this felt playhouse. It was $4.99, and this one was a bit of a gamble because it didn't have a lot of the pieces, but I think it's worth it so that I can keep trying to find some, because it was fairly gender neutral when I got it open. So the door opens, you can come in. It did have a couch, a bit of felt, and a chair. Flip it over so you can see it. And it had a coffee table. So I think this was the only room that was complete, but I really liked it anyway because it has all the different rooms in the house. I was wondering whether I could make some pieces that would work. There's a real little mirror there. And this is the bedroom. It did come with one extra little blanket that you can put on the top or the bottom bunk. And I believe in the middle, oh, there's the fridge that opens and closes, and it just has really nice backdrops. So things that have nice backdrops I will invest in. And this opens up, I'm not sure if you can see, into a giant kind of playroom for the kids. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So it has, like, I think this is supposed to be the attic. It's supposed to be the attic, and it has the stairs, and it has a whole fun play area for kids up in the attic. So that's the part that kind of pops up and folds out. It's kind of hidden in the middle of the book. And you can work on categories and different rooms in the house. So I thought that was worth it. So what else do I have? I don't think this one will show very well, but it's a really cool toy if you ever see it when you're out and about. So you can see it's a bit discolored, but it could be just from ink exposure. But basically this is like the base of it, and you can interchange the stamps. And it's a sound stamper. So this one is a laughing mouth. Oh, there it goes, still has batteries. So when you stamp in the ink and then stamp again in the paper, you get that laughing sound. So there's different sounds, I'll try to show you a few. Laughing. Can you guess what sound that one will make? Oh, that's the wolf. Has to be all the way in for it to recognize it. This is the fire truck. This is the spring. That's the rooster. That is the spaceship. It's funny, and the preschoolers really like this one. So if you wanted to do just a quick craft and interchange some of the fun little sounds and talk about what you're hearing, then that's a nice verb. So that's an old one. That's from 1997. But that's a great toy. Great to kind of supplement crafts. So you're working on S puns as well for ST stamp. I grabbed these. These are, this was $3.99. These are Smart Snack Scoops. I didn't get the cones, but I think I do have the cones somewhere. So these are the Smart Scoops, and they are from Learning Resources. It does say the color name in there. Let me see if I can find a better one with a little more contrast. So you can see it does have the word inside. But these are great for stacking games. So they look like real ice cream. Except this one, I've never seen red ice cream. But you could talk about putting them on top. You can hide things underneath, which is nice. So again, I didn't get the cones, but I do have them somewhere. So this is just going to add extra play value because I'm going to have double the scoops that it came with. So we can make really tall ice cream cones with that. Last but not least, I got a nice big bag of Marvel characters. Here is the Green Goblin. He's the only one that is not a masher. So mashers, you can remove their head and their appendages, their arms and legs, but this one you can't. So this one is the Green Goblin. There is a Hulk. Gotta got an extra kind of extra smash element to him. I did get an extra foot for Hulk. A mishmash bag that is incomplete, but you could add to it. So I do have mashers. I have Star Wars mashers as well. So I thought I would just grab this bag so if I get lucky another time and find some more, then I can mix and match the parts. So this is Loki, I think, because I can see by his helmet. So he's missing a leg. I got most of Spider-Man. I'm missing one leg and his head. But again, this was just a bag that I thought could come in handy later if I find any more. Not sure whose leg this one is. Another Hulk head. Another Hulk hand. Somebody's muscles. We got Captain America's head. And a fist. Not sure, maybe Thanos. Anyway, I grabbed them because great for spare parts. I'm hoping to find some more mashers someday that I can add to my collection. So I want to thank you all for watching this little thrift haul. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. That's great for our channel. Comment down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We've recently hit 500 subscribers, so the next milestone is 1,000 subscribers. And we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.